everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a beach ball. Let's start. First, draw a circle. And then around that circle, draw a circle. And draw a line. And draw another line. And draw another line. And draw another line. And draw another line. And then another line. We're done. You can also draw some sand here. We will, though. I'm done. Actually, we both done. Now we'll color. Make sure it's beautiful. While I'm coloring, I'll tell you about my brother. How he likes to play. Sometimes he's learning how to share and care and play too. And stuff like that. And sometimes he forgets, and sometimes he remembers. We are almost done. We're done. Bye!